Hi, today's topic is H5N1 virus. This is H5N1, the bird flu. In confirmed human cases, it has killed nearly 50% of patients. For comparison, early COVID-19 was closer to 1 to 3%. So why hasn't H5N1 become the next global pandemic? And why are scientists raising fresh alarms? What H5N1 is? H5N1 is mainly a bird virus. It spreads quickly in poultry through saliva, secretions, and droppings. Human infections are rare and usually linked to close contact with sick birds. But when it enters humans, it targets deep lung cells, triggering a deadly immune reaction known as a cytokine storm. The mammal spread. Here's the real concern: H5N1 is no longer just in birds. It has infected seals, sea lions, foxes, and most critically, US dairy cattle. That means the virus is adapting to mammals. Every infection gives it a new chance to mutate, and with enough opportunities, it could eventually spread between humans. The world is on alert. Surveillance, vaccines, and containment are in place. For now, H5N1 does not spread easily between people, so there's no reason to panic. But the spread in mammals is a serious warning sign. This is a race between viral evolution and our preparedness. Stay informed, because knowledge is our best defense. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to V Group's YouTube channel.